Hey guys, on this video I'm going to show you how to use Chocolatey to deploy programs. So first of all, you go to chocolatey.org. We're going to click on Find Packages, and you can also bookmark this page if you want. Over here we can do a search for whatever we want, but we can also, let's install, for example, Adobe Acrobat. So we just type in Acrobat, and you can see all the latest versions that are listed over here. It's always going to be installing the latest version. So what you need to do is double click on or just copy the word Adobe Reader if you need to, or you just remember it. And then when we go to the RMM site, we can go to any of our clients. I'm going to go to their devices. It's probably the easiest way to do it. And from here, multiple devices if you want to choose, or just one, it doesn't really matter. And we're gonna run a quick job. You can type in, search for Choco or whatever. When you click here, it's gonna ask you if you want to update the application. So if it exists already, it's going to download and install the latest version. If it's a new application, do you want to install it if it's not already installed? And the name of the applications over here, you can see if we click on the instructions over here, well, there you go. You can separate them by space. So we have, in this example, we want to do Adobe Reader, but let's say we also want to do Firefox, which I would assume will be just Firefox, as you can see. So I'm going to do Adobe Reader space Firefox. I'm going to click on Save, and it's going to run now and install those two programs on this machine. If you have any questions, please let me know.